to invite on stage Shogoto Chatterjee, Chief Business Officer from Nippon India Mutual Funds, to felicitate Sarang Vetslekarji, and Anshul Arzare, MD and CEO of Yes Securities, to felicitate Pandit Satyajit Talwalkarji. Thank you, sir. Stalwarts to Hindustani classical music, which will leave a mark forever in our cultural heritage. भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीत के प्रसिद्ध गायक स्वर्गीय पद्म भूषण पंडित C.R. व्यास के अनुज पुत्र श्री शशिकांत व्यास जी आज प्रतिष्ठा प्रदान करने के अवसर आज हमें मिला है अर्घ्य के द्वारे इस मंच पर। शशि जी ने शैक्षणिक मार्ग अपनाते हुए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की योग्यता प्राप्त की और उसे 2 दशक तक निभाया। भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीत की विरासत को बढ़ावा देने के उद्देश्य से पंचम निषाद का जन्म 1996 में हुआ। नवोदित कलाकारों को प्रोत्साहित करना और अभिजात शास्त्रीय संगीत को संरक्षित करने में शशि जी का अपार योगदान रहा है। With the single main objective being to showcase India's rich art and cultural heritage in an organized manner by creating India's first private limited company to promote Indian classical music and art. Pancham Nishad's noted programs have been spiritual mornings held at the iconic Gateway of India, Pratah Swar, a Baithak style event held at the Ravindranatya Mandir, Bolava Vitthal, held 15 cities since 2005, Arohi, especially for the young musicians, different gharanas, Remember Shakti, when Zaz met India, and lastly, but not least of course, Uday Swar, an acoustic-only concert that is held every month at Prithvi Theatre. It presents sound in its pure form without amplifiers. Theatre, samvad and television have also been touched upon by Shashiji's magic. We are fortunate today to have amidst us stalwarts of Indian classical music gracing our evening today, and we kindly request you to come on stage. Pandit Satish Vyas, Srimati Jyoti Vyas, Pandit Kalinath Mishra, Pandit Sanjeev Chimmalgi, Srimati Saili Talwalkar, Pandit Satyajit Talwalkar, Ustad Murad Ali, Vidushi Kaushiki Chakravarti, Dr. Shailesh Srivastava, Shri Padma Sacheti, Pandit Amirendra Dhanishwar, Pandit Ravichari, Shri Amit Pratihari, Shri Anshul Arzare, Shri Shogoto Chatterjee, Captain Surendranath Thakur, and Uday Nirgupkar. Could we have some light on the audience, please? Advocate Ashish Shilaji was unable to attend Arghya's Prarambh event today and be here for this felicitation, Nevertheless, we have a video from him that we would like to play where Ashish ji has a few words for Shashi Vyas ji.
भारत यहाँ इंडियन क्लासिक म्यूजिक और फाइन आर्ट फाउंडेशन की तरफ से ऑडियो विजुअल इस प्रकार के माध्यम को उपयोगी में लाकर नवोदित कलाकारों को, म्यूजिशियंस को एक नया प्लेटफॉर्म, एक नई संधि, एक मौका देने का ये स्तुत्य उपक्रम आप सबने तय किया है। और उस उपक्रम में साथ में ही पंचम निषाद शशि व्यास जी, इनका सम्मान हम सब मिलकर कर रहे हैं। मुझे लगता है ये सोच कल के इंडियन क्लासिक म्यूजिक के प्रमोशन के लिए, प्रिजर्वेशन के लिए और परफॉर्मेंस के लिए नई जोत की तरह है। और इस प्रयास की मैं सराहना करता हूं। व्यक्तिगत रूप से मैं वहां आपके बीच में नहीं हूं, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र सरकार, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी और सांस्कृतिक मंत्रालय की तरफ से मैं आपके इस पूरे प्रयास को बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और उसी के साथ साथ इन नवोदित कलाकारों को, म्यूजिशियंस को प्रोत्साहन मिले, ऐसी ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूं। और पंचम निषाद शशि व्यास जी को आप सम्मानित कर रहे हैं, करकमलों द्वारा मैं उनको भी धन्यवाद और नमन करता हूं और आप सभी को शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Present Shashi ji with the Sanman Chinna. We have, of course, saved the best entry for the last. This felicitation is especially for Mr. Shashi Vyas. Would request Pandit Satish Vyas to say a few words.
What can I say? First of all, I thank Arya for organizing this beautiful evening with a young sitar player and diamond of our country, Kaushiki. And icing on the cake is that my younger brother is being felicitated for his contribution in music, which is the first I congratulate my entire Vyas family. I don't want to give long speech, but I can just briefly say a few words about him. And also I must say that this is a very good occasion because my father's centenary year is being celebrated since 2023. And this felicitation of Shashi is being done during this year is all the more happy, and what I can do, moments are very surreal. Shashi by profession was a chartered accountant, and I remember because we so far our generation is concerned, we are like one family, we brothers and our wives. Next generation also are together. So we keep exchanging our views, thoughts, right from our childhood, ever since we started understanding how the life will be. So I remember when he became chartered accountant, me and my father were in USA for a concert tour of my father's. So when I came, he had started practice and he was doing practice. But as you know, being a son of such a great legendary vocalist, his heart was not there. So he used to say, tell my father and ask him, I don't have patience to sit for 3 hours and do practice, but I want to do something in music. And that's how he conceptualized the idea of Pancham Nisha in mid-90s. And what can I say? I used to argue at that time. I said, "Kahan tum isme fas rahe ho yaar? You are a highly qualified chartered accountant. You can become a director of a corporate company, and company will offer you all facilities, you know, with house, car, everything." Because in those days, our thinking was like that. But today, I think I take my words back, because what he has done is just amazing, which all of you know, and the music was known. And the beauty is that he comes with some conceptualizations, you know. Like he thought of spiritual morning, which became a grand success, which is held at the Gateway of India. Then there is Prataswar, then there is Prithvi Theatre program, apart from doing festivals and all that. So there has been a long history of his concerts, but he is all the time striving to develop new ideas. And in last 3 years, he always, when we meet, and always used to say, my one wish, this was 5 years back, that I want to write, you know, we want to write a book on my father. And that dream also came true, and we released the book on the 9th of November, which was his 100th birth anniversary. Yeah, and it is in Marathi. Now I am helping him to get it translated into English. So let's see how it goes. But it is, the writers are Shruti Mazumdar, and he is a co-writer of that book called Chintamani, Ek Chirantar Chintan. It's in Marathi. It's a beautiful book, and with modesty I can say I have been a lot contributor in that, in talking and all that you, when Marathi people read, they will know. And it will soon come in English also in few months. So I can go on talking about him, because I have seen him working very, very closely. And the most important part, that he has a full support from Jyoti, that is his wife, my younger Bhabhi, and including his children, Sarang, Jyoti, and now Pooja, the daughter-in-law. So that really gives strength. I think any artist or any this kind of creative work needs family support, which he has. So I congratulate and I wish them a great life and a great service to music in future also. Now everybody is waiting. Acha, sorry. Thank you.
Difficult for me to talk about Shashiji, because I can't even believe standing next to Shashiji, I have been given a mic to talk about him. Because the beginning of, especially Bombay, talking about Kaushiki Chakravarti started with Shashiji. When nobody knew who this girl is. Why is she suddenly here? Why is she wanting to sing? What is this all about? Everyone, of course, was celebrating my father, and I was sitting behind somewhere playing the Tanpura, insignificant, invisible. Shashiji was one of those very, very, very few people who gave me the center stage and had the trust and belief and faith in me and my music, that this girl can do something meaningful if given the opportunity. So it started with that. And I think it's very, hello! And I think it's very, very, it's always very special. Those of you who are new into anything that you believe in, into anything that you believe as the true calling and purpose of your life, when you start that journey, those of you who gives a pat on your back and say it's okay, you can do it. I have your back, I'm there. You go ahead. आप गिर भी जाओगे ठीक है, गलत होगा फिर भी ठीक है, हम हैं. वो विश्वास ना जिंदगी भर का एक बहुत बड़ी वो that's a treasure. And later on, of course, with God's grace, I've got love and affection and blessings from a lot of people, from all of you, which is, always going to be the biggest strength of my life. But those few people who gave that pat and who gave that nod, and in whose eyes I saw that faith and trust, those people will always be supremely special in my entire journey of my life and music, in shaping who I am as a human being and the musician that I am and that I aspire and dream to become. So I take this opportunity to again seek blessings from Shashi ji, and I hope I have not disappointed you, and I hope I continue to have that faith and trust of yours in my music and me as a person, because itne saalon ka rishta raha hai. It's not music that we've spoken about. There's so much ideas, ideologies, principles, the way you look at life, the story that we are, the narrative that every life is. I think Shashi ji has contributed a lot in that. And day in and out, I've spent so much time talking to him, to the extent कि उनको दाल कौन से टेम्परेचर में चाहिए और आलू जीरा का कौन सा साइज है वो भी हम सबको पता है. So experiences, anecdotes, stories, it's like a family. It's very difficult to pick one aspect of this person and not talk about the other. So I mentioned the funny side, the amazing way of living life that he believes in. उनके घर का खाना, वरण भात is the best. And so much more, to the extent that my son has a very special name that only Shashi ji calls him. And whenever I go back home and tell Rishit कि कोई मुझे पूछ रहे थे कि चिंटू कैसा है, he says शशि अंकल मिले थे आपको. So, and of course, स्टेज बोले कि कभी ऐसा हुआ कि आप और चिंटू दोनों गाने के लिए आ रहे हैं, तो आप ये समझ लेना कि मैं चिंटू के लिए आ रहा हूँ, आपके लिए. So now priorities have shifted, and I'm so happy and blessed that it has. I hope he also keeps the faith that he has in him and the blessings that we all have got from him. And when I say congratulations, Shashi ji, and I'm so happy that I get to be here on this day. And this is not only from me, this is from my entire family, Baba, Ma, Bhai, my husband, my son, every one of us. We're so happy, and congratulations from all of us. Thank you so much.
सतीश सबसे मेरे बड़े भाई, और उदय और कौशिकी, सही कहा इन्होंने. सतीश ने मुझे बचपन से, मतलब मुझसे बड़ा है, इसके लिए मेरे जन्म से लेकर आज तक उसने मेरी ये यात्रा देखी है. हमारे परिवार में कहते थे सबसे चंचल कौन है, तो शशि है, एक जगह बैठता नहीं. और यही उन्होंने सच कहा कि संगीत न करने की वो एक वजह है, और जो चीज जल्दी समझ में आ जाती है फिर उससे दिल उठ जाता है, बगैर शादी. और उदय हमारे बहुत पुराने मित्र हैं. आज उनके भाई दूसरे हमारे जो परम मित्र हैं सुधीर, वो भी यहाँ हैं. मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त यहाँ उपस्थित हैं. सबको देखना है. शशि, तुम्हारा सम्मान हो रहा है, मुझे हम लोग को जरा आके देखना है, क्योंकि वो सब मुझे जानते हैं. इन दोज डेज व्हेन आई वाज प्रोबेबली, जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि खोज में रहता है इंसान. जब पंचम निषाद मिल गए तो ऐसे लगा कि जिंदगी के सफर का एक तो मंजिल मिल गई. और आज यहाँ तक पहुंचने में सबसे ज्यादा अगर योगदान किसी का रहेगा, सतीश ने एकदम सही कहा कि अगर ज्योति न होती तो इस यात्रा की ज्वाला न कभी भड़कती, न कभी इसका जिंदगी के हर पड़ाव पर, हर इसमें जब कभी भी कोई भी संदेह की बात आती थी, कोई भी दुविधा की बात आती थी, तो मैंने हमेशा ज्योति और साथी में मेरे दोनों मेरे बच्चे केयता और सारंग, मैं उम्र नहीं देखता, बच्चों को मित्र बनाओ तो बहुत सारा काम आसान होता है. बिकॉज, और यही एक वजह है कि चिंटू अब मेरे लिए पोते समान है, ये बेटी समान है, तो पोते से तो ज्यादा प्यार होता ही है ना. अभी हमारी देखिए यहाँ
से मुस्कुराहटों से भर दे, कुछ ऐसा ही रंग संगीत के सुरों में भिगोकर बिखरने का इरादा है हमारा. As promised, are you ready to be transported to the next level of musical bliss? मंच की शोभा बढ़ाने आज की पीढ़ी की सर्वश्रेष्ठ महिला गायिका विदुषी कौशिकी चक्रवर्ती का हम विनम्रता से स्वागत करते हैं। She is the daughter of noted Hindustani classical vocalist Padma Bhushan Ajay Chakravarti, under whose guidance she was groomed at a Shruti Nandan School of Music in Kolkata. She is also trained under none other than Vidwan Balamurali Krishna, learning the nuances of Carnatic music. She is a torch bearer of the Patiala Gharana. She runs her own talk show, Gaan Golpo Argan. Her women's musical group Sakhi performed at the Kanke Hall in 2022. कौशिकी जी भारत की वो विख्यात गायिका है जो तंत्र और भाव का मेल ऐसी सरलता से अभिव्यक्त करती हैं कि श्रोता उस रस में मंत्रमुग्ध हो जाते हैं। तो आइए इनकी संगीत की गहराई और शुद्धता का अनुभव करें। तबले का संगत पंडित सत्यजीत तलवलकर जी का रहेगा, जिनकी उंगलियों की लय हमें पुनः सम्मोहित करेंगी। सारंगी पर उस्ताद मुराद अली खान का रहेगा, who is considered a leading sarangi player of the younger generation. Murad Ali is a 6th generation sarangi player of the Muradabad Gharana. हारमोनियम पे उभरते कलाकार ज्योतिर्मयी बैनर्जी रहेंगे। A request to check if your phones are on silent mode. Do not enter or exit during the performance. And please, we hand over the stage to you, Kaushiki ji.
Today's performance with Rag Marudhyang, and उसके बाद समय के हिसाब से जितना हो सकता है आपको सुनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। And I humbly want to thank our beautiful, amazing MC for giving me such a lovely introduction. Just that Vidushi really makes me feel awkward. So अगर ना बोले तो अच्छा है, बस कौशिकी ठीक है। Thank you so much. सबसे इजाजत आज्ञा। The